everyone and welcome back. Today we have my MN82 fully loaded with some goodies. Let's find out what I have here to upgrade this rig. First and foremost, these wheels and tires will be definitely on this rig. Metal beadlocks with very soft compound tires. This box we will leave it to the end. This is the rod, a 3mm rod. Here, okay, we're going to upgrade the radio. This is a 4-channel OTRC. I'm going to pair it with the OTRC 8-channel. I bought 2 pair of shocks, or 2 sets of shocks, and I'm trying to figure out which one suits the best this rig. This time I'm going to upgrade it all the 4 shocks. Very nice shocks, very nice feel. This one's not so quite, but I think they are very good too. This is ball end joints. I want this because I'm going to put, or trying to make, a conversion from leaf spring suspension to 4-link. Like in the front, I will try to convert this to a 4-link and do it cleanly. Let's see if I can do this. I'm a little bit nervous because I will have to drill these rails, this chassis. This is plastic. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea, but for the sake of science, let's try this. So, metal drive shafts. These ones are to this rig, 4mm and 4mm in each corner. Now the white box. What do we have here? Let's see. Ha! A brushless outrunner, some zip ties, some double-sided tape, and a ESC for the outrunner. This is the new kit that was released a little while ago. This looks good, well built. Oh, even got the stock battery connection. Okay. Oh, this is tiny. This outrunner, it's tiny. Looks very well built. Brushless conversion to the outrunner motor. 4-link in the rear. New set of shocks. And the new transmitter, in this case receiver, which means a transmitter too. So let's begin. So first what I'm going to do is to put this bridge that it's needed to hold the links. You can also put the metal ones. I found the spot where I'm going to drill the chassis. Is going to be drilled right here on both sides. The links will come from here to here. This is, I'm not going, let me see if I can show you, something like that. Okay. Oh, and the shocks will be applied somewhere around here. I will cut this part here, and the shock will pop out right there. But first I have to reinforce, because I'm not keen on drilling this. I'm going to reinforce this chassis, and will give more support to the areas where I'm going to drill it. Okay. I already applied 2 here. Now I'm going to put another 2, 1 each side, like so. All reinforcements done. Now it's time to drill the chassis here, and opening this little bit. And voila, it will be something like that in this position. So some markings done. Where do I need to drill? Here and here. Here goes nothing. One is done. The holes for the shock mounts. Well, and for link conversion is done. I think that it's working fine. I'm a little bit unhappy with this shock position. Maybe if they were a little bit higher, it would be better. But for now, I think that I'm going to leave it this way. What else? The front shocks. I took the original shock mount, and I used it got 3 holes, and I used the inner hole, like so, only a nut and 2.5 millimeter screws, and it works just fine. As you can see, this is the same shocks that I have on my WPL C24. They are for Traxxas TRX4M. In order not to be too long of a video, I'm going to separate it in 2 or 3 videos. Let's see. Now I'm going to put the body and see the wheels size, because I'm beginning to thinking that these wheels are a little bit smaller for this setup. This ride height I'm not digging when flexing this space here. These wheels are too small with this setup. I was intended to have a lower center of gravity, but this has came a little bit higher that I wanted to. So I think I'm going to use these wheels. These rims are from the WPL C24-1, and the tires is a soft compound that I've ordered from AliExpress. So for now I'm going to maintain the WPL wheels and tires. It becomes a little bit monster trucky, a little bit higher that I was expecting to. Maybe in the future I will have to make some custom shock mounts in order to these shocks sit a little bit higher, like so, probably in this area here. Let's try this modulation here first. Okay, no problem. 2 tires and flexing, but I'm not digging this space here. In the future I will think what I'm going to do to make this a little bit prettier. So, see you right now. Let's see if this conversion means anything performance-wise. Let's try irate. Okay. First we're going to try a harder line. Let's see if I can pull this off. Wow, very impressed with this. Spoke too soon. Okay, okay. Amazing. In stock configuration, this rig for sure wasn't unable of doing this. Very good. Okay, very well. So breaking down the specs, these tires aren't glued, they don't have wheel weights and not even foams, okay? I'm using the stock MN99 battery, stock electronics, stock controller. In the next video I will upgrade it to a brushless outrunner, and in the future I will move slightly the position of the rear shocks, because I'm not digging the right height in the rear. Let's see if only I can climb this, and then I'm go home. Okay, very well. It's all for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.